If you're a parent, you're probably familiar with the dangers facing children online. And while preventing your kids from downloading certain apps can help control what they're exposed to, it's also important for your child's health to also have conversations about their screen time and why they're consuming certain types of media. Fox News' Chris DeMeo has more on how you can help your kids develop health habits.
In today's digital world, it seems every young kid is glued to a tablet, with teenagers also consuming social media on their devices at rampant rates. Data from the nonprofit group the Kaiser Family Foundation reveals that kids ages 8 to 18 spend roughly 7.5 hours in front of a screen every day.
And they use it not just for consuming content, but for interacting with friends and looking up information that is important and interesting to them.
While social media isn't inherently evil, communication specialists say it's important for parents to teach kids how to use it responsibly.
One of the things that you can think about is how constant is that media and how can you engage kids in conversation about that media so they are developing those executive functioning skills that we know are critical.
And because the CDC says it takes about 25 years for an average human brain to fully develop, an over-reliance on social media from a young age could negatively impact a child's ability to learn to cope with their environment.
Certainly scrolling through Instagram Reels or scrolling through TikTok doesn't encourage a child to occupy their own time or develop ways to manage themselves when they're bored.
But educating kids about healthy online habits doesn't have to be hard. Social media experts say it all starts by having an open and honest dialogue.
If you are in the car with kids and they've got their phones or their devices out, just asking a question, what are you watching? What have you seen that's interesting today?
The dinner table is also a great place to enforce device-free meals, to promote conversation, and give kids time to think about how they use social media. Chris DeMeo, Fox News.